welcome back to Smart Study, your trusted channel for exam-oriented preparation. Today we are covering class 10th Maths Chapter 2 Polynomials based on the latest syllabus and edition. This video is a complete package, so make sure you watch till the end. In this video, you will get all NCERT questions explained step by step, extra questions for practice, important notes for revision, key terms and definitions which are useful for MCQs, and 1-mark questions. Now, before we start, pick up your pen and notebook, solve each and every question along with this video. Don't just watch, practice side by side because writing once is equal to reading many times. This chapter is very important because it strengthens your base for higher classes. While solving, I have used the quadratic formula method in questions, but remember, you can also solve by the splitting the middle term method or by quadratic formula just like me. Wherever it is applicable, you can use what you want. This video is designed for smart studies so that you don't waste time and yet cover everything needed for your exam. Every extra question added here is beneficial for practice and will definitely help you in scoring full marks. If at any point you have a query, a doubt, or you want more questions, just ask me in the comments. I will surely reply to each one of you. Your participation keeps this channel active and motivated to bring more helpful content. So, stay till the end with me. Keep solving, keep practicing, and keep revising your notes side by side. Take every question seriously because practice here builds your confidence in the exam hall. Even the simplest problem strengthens your basics. Polynomials may look small as a chapter, but its applications are everywhere in algebra, in factorization, and even in quadratic equations ahead. That is why mastering this chapter is so important. Remember, solving more and more extra questions is like polishing your skills. The more you practice, the faster and more accurate you will become. While solving, keep checking your steps. Marks are not only for the final answer but also for correct steps. Neatness and clarity will always fetch your better marks. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.